Hello all of you. Today we are going to understand valve timing diagram of 4-stroke petrol and diesel engine. So first of all we should know that what is valve timing diagram. It is basically point location of inlet and outlet valve or ignition point in complete thermodynamic cycle. So let's start to understand. First of all, draw the center line for TDC and BDC. You know, top dead center, bottom dead center. First of all, start from this point to this point. This is inlet valve open, inlet valve closed. Exactly at 0 degree to 180 degree. In theoretical valve timing diagram, inlet valve open at 0 degree and close at 180 degree. During suction stroke, air and fuel mixture enter inside the combustion chamber in Otto cycle. This is second stroke. Compression stroke. During compression stroke, both the valves are closed. After compression stroke, just before the TDC, 10 degree before TDC, we give spark to the air and fuel mixture. It is called ignition advance. Inlet valve closed, inlet valve open, ignition advance. After giving spark to the air and fuel mixture, compressed air and fuel mixture with high pressure, it gives us the power. This is called power stroke. Both the valves are closed in compression and in power stroke. Exhaust valve open, exhaust valve closed. This term is top dead center, bottom dead center, inlet valve closed, inlet valve open, ignition advance, exhaust valve open, exhaust valve closed. So this is your theoretically valve timing diagram for petrol engine, but in practical or actual valve timing diagram, the valve timing diagram having location of points are different. Let's move toward the. This is theoretical. This is actual valve timing diagram. This is theoretical valve timing diagram, but inlet valve open 10 degree before TDC. And inlet valve closed 20 degree after BDC. This is actual valve timing diagram during suction stroke. This is your compression stroke. In which ignition advance is at 15 degree before TDC. This is your power stroke. Exhaust valve open 20 to 30 degree before bottom dead center. And this exhaust valve closed. Exhaust valve closed after TDC 20 to 25 degree after TDC. So this is actual valve timing diagram. One point also you keep in mind that when low speed engine or high speed engine, the valve timing diagram is also different. In high speed engine, ignition advance angle is more than 15 degree, it is 20 to 25 degree, and exhaust valve open 30 to 40 degree before BDC, and exhaust valve closed 30 degree after TDC. So for high speed engine. And in diesel engine you have to change only fuel injection open, and another point is fuel injection closed. During suction stroke only air, this is diesel. Earlier we discussed about petrol engine. Now in diesel engine, fuel injection open, fuel injection closed. Air enter inside the combustion chamber, air compressed, and we give the fuel injection to the compressed air, and this gives us the power. And in actual valve timing diagram, fuel injection open, this is fuel injection closed. And one more point which is very important in valve timing diagram, you can easily understand that in actual valve timing, in theoretical valve timing diagram, no lapping is there, but in actual valve timing diagram you can find out the lapping. Lapping is actually scavenging process in which burnt gas is released from the combustion chamber, and during suction stroke you can get the maximum volume of air inside the combustion chamber or air fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber. So this is called, this from this point to this point, this is called lapping. This angle is, you can see, 10 degree or 30 degree, it is 40 to 45 degree. Hopefully you understand the valve timing diagram for 4-stroke engine. Let's move towards the cut section model in which we can understand the valve timing diagram. So students, this is the cut section model of 4-stroke diesel engine. You can see this is inlet air, this is exhaust system, and you can see inlet and outlet valve. We use this lever to operate the piston. Now you can see piston is at TDC, and this is the disc from where we can measure the angle. So let's start. Right now both the valves are closed and piston is at TDC. So when piston move from TDC to BDC, you can see inlet valve start opening and closing. Piston is at BDC. This it is at 0 degree. Piston is at TDC. Both the valves are closed. When we move piston from TDC to BDC, you can see it moves toward 180 degree, and piston is at BDC and inlet valve closed. Now inlet valve closed. This is your compression stroke. It completes 360 degree and both the valves are closed. This is your power stroke, and it moves 540 degree. It's one complete revolution and another 180 degree. So it is 540 degree and piston is at BDC. Now it is exhaust stroke, and you can see exhaust valve start opening. Exhaust valve closed, piston is at TDC, and here you can see it returned its original position. So this is 720 degree of crankshaft. Hopefully you understand the practical concept of valve timing diagram. Thank you very much.